Hi, my name is Ryan Umel. This is for my AP Human Geography class. I'm in Period 1, Mr. Hammond's class. I got the difference between universalizing and ethnic religions. And this is chapter 6. Okay. Universalizing religions are religions that have dispersed concentrations all over the world and attempt to appeal to all, not just those living in a single location. An example is Buddhism, which attempts to appeal to all through teachings of wisdom and enlightenment. Universalizing holy places are numerous and more often used than ethnic holy sites because there are more people in that certain religion, which calls for a greater need for the holy places such as churches. An ethnic religion, however, is a religion that appeals to one group of people in one area. It's based off of things such as physical geography, as Hinduism is, and if not for its concentrated distribution, it would be considered a universalizing religion. But as you can see in the pink, it is concentrated entirely in India or South Asia. They tend to be much smaller than universalizing religions, and because of that, their holy sites or areas are much smaller in number. For holy days, universalizing religions have their events based off of events in the founder's life, such as Christians have Christmas for Jesus, and Buddhists have the Buddha's enlightenment, death, birth, and so on. The diffusion methods vary greatly. The universalizing religions, because they have so many people, they try to convert you with missionaries and such. So there are people like Jehovah's Witness who try to convert you by coming to people's doors and try to convert you to, their religion. Ethnic religions, however, they only spread by relocation diffusion because they don't really try to convert to people, so their amount of people doesn't typically change much. And for the ethnic calendars, their events are based off of seasons because their religion is based off the physical geography of the area. So as you can see, we'll show the more dominant religions. As you can see in South America, most of it, South and Middle America, most of it is Roman Catholic. There's a little bit of indigenous religion and some unpopulated areas here. In North America, it's Christians, Orthodox Christians, and some indigenous religions up here. In Africa, it's mostly Mormons, Muslims, Shiites, the same thing as Middle East and some of Asia. And the religion here is Roman Catholic, and Roman Catholic, and most of this area is Catholic as well because Europe populated this area. And here is a really big mix because of the varying cultures in most of Russia. It's indigenous religions. There are no dominant religions here, which probably means they're atheists or agnostics, atheists are people who completely reject the idea of God, and agnostics are the people who think that they can't find it. And so that's pretty much a covering of all the world's religions. Thank you, and that's it. This was Ryan Umel and the difference between universalizing and ethnic religions.